changing culture and tradition in Europe. 11th सेंचुरी के बाद यूरोप में सोशल, पॉलिटिकल, रिलीजियस बिहेवियर में बहुत ग्रेट लेवल का क्या है, चेंज आया है। क्या है? चेंज आया है। तो इसमें लास्ट डे हमने जो डिस्कस किया, फर्स्ट इन्वेंशन ऑफ प्रिंटिंग प्रेस, सेकेंड न्यू कंसेप्ट ऑफ ह्यूमनिज्म, और थर्ड एस्पिरेशन ऑफ वीमेन। तो आज मैं उल्टा शुरू करता हूँ। सबसे पहले बात करता हूँ एस्पिरेशन ऑफ वीमेन। एस्पिरेशन ऑफ वीमेन को वी कैन से फेमिनिस्ट मूवमेंट। फेमिनिस्ट मूवमेंट। फेमिनिस्ट मूवमेंट मीन्स whatsoever we learned about the aspiration of women. Aspiration of women. What were the main motive behind the aspiration of women? Women community claimed for equal status, equal dignity, equal opportunity and equal right for female as celebrated by the male. Gender basis equality is the main motive behind the aspiration of women. So it can be termed as feminist movement. Feminist movement, a movement dedicated to liberation of women community from rituals, social, religious clutches. Two major important scholars we have discussed as feminist activists at first stage of European Revolution. Isabella D. Itze and Cassandra Feder challenged the intellectual of Renaissance to accept the women category as an integral part of humanity. Humanity is incomplete without including women society, women community. All of the scholars about whom we are acquainted totally, completely dedicated the humanism or rights and opportunity in favor of men. Women society and marginalized class. Third state, common people are not considered equal as the male figure of second class, second order and first order. So it may be termed like feminist movement. Beginning of feminist movement. Feminist movement means a movement in favor of women to provide them equal status and dignity as celebrated by the men. आदमी को जो अधिकार है, जो उसका डिग्निटी सम्मान है, वही अधिकार और सम्मान सारे महिलाओं का होना चाहिए। अब इस बात के लिए जो व्यक्ति डेडिकेटेड होगा, इस बात के लिए जो संगठन डेडिकेटेड होगा, उसको हम कहेंगे फेमिनिस्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, फेमिनिस्ट एक्टिविस्ट। और इस पूरे मूवमेंट को जो दुनिया में चला कि ये जो आप न्यू कंसेप्ट ला रहे हो ह्यूमनिज्म का, जिसमें इंडिविजुअल लिबर्टी है, जिसमें राइट टू वोट है, किंग इलेक्टेड है, रूल ऑफ लॉ है, और इसमें वीमेन सोसाइटी को इंक्लूड नहीं कर रहे हो, ये बड़ी अजीब बात है। यहाँ मैं एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग एग्जाम्पल और रखना चाहूँगा जो तुम अपने प्रीवियस क्लास में पढ़े थे। फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन जहाँ आपने पढ़ा था वहाँ याद करिए क्या हुआ था। फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन में जब मूवमेंट आगे बढ़ा तो उसमें एक वीमेन का रोल हमने पढ़ा था और वो ये था कि उसने डिमांड की कि फीमेल फिगर को भी इक्वल राइट, डिग्निटी, अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलना चाहिए। सोचिए वहाँ फ्रांस में उस समय रेडिकल्स की सरकार है। रेडिकल्स मीन्स मोस्ट अल्ट्रा चेंज वांटेड पीपल। टोटल यूरोपियन सोसाइटी कैन बी कंसिडर्ड इन 3 categories on the basis of their idea or thought. First were conservative, जो अपने एंशियंट ट्रेडिशंस को, एंशियंट प्रोटोकॉल को मेंटेन करना चाहते हैं। सेकेंड ग्रुप लिबरल मीन्स 4th क्लास। क्या कहा गया? 4th क्लास। जो न्यू इटैलिक सिटी रिवाइव हुए, उन सिटी के रिवाइवल से वहाँ सोसाइटी में एक 4th क्लास आया था। क्लियर हो ना? क्या आया था? 4th क्लास। 4th क्लास इमर्ज इन द न्यू सिटीज ऑफ इटली सच एज वेनिस, फ्लोरेंस, Rome, Genoa. These cities were not dominated by the clergy or noble. Here is the power exercised by the traders and businessmen. तो ये जो न्यू क्लास है, ट्रेडर्स हैं, बिजनेसमैन हैं, इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट हैं, टेक्नीशियन हैं, टीचर्स हैं, प्रोफेसर्स हैं, ये कौन है? लिबरल। कौन है? लिबरल। और थर्ड ग्रुप में कौन है? थर्ड ग्रुप में रेडिकल है। कौन है? रेडिकल है। रेडिकल का मतलब है कि हु बिलीव्ड इन कंप्लीट चेंज। ऑल ओल्ड रिजिम्स, ट्रेडिशन एंड इंस्टीट्यूशंस शुड बी कंप्लीटली removed and a new type of social, political, economic, religion should be established on the basis of equality. It was the motive of radicals. Or liberal want to change but controlled change. They were not in favor of right to vote should be provided to the labor class or the common. Liberal wanted to establish the rule of law but excluded the lower class. Artisans, peasants, sharecroppers are excluded or whole women class is excluded. This was the basic feature of liberals and conservatives who believe in the old tradition, old legacy, ancient heroes such as in India BJP. Conservative, Donald Trump in America, conservative, America first. तो conservative means they wanted change, but they in favor of continuation of old traditions and customs, protocols, social religious norms. These are the liberals. Total and complete lower class और women class exclude है. तो ये कौन है? Liberal. They wanted change, but their change did not include the marginalized people or low income group people such as peasants, artisans, laborers. It is the identity of they wanted change but not complete change. Were liberal. They wanted change but believe in continuation of old tradition. Are conservatives. Or the third group, radicals, who wanted complete change. Total and complete elimination of old traditions, old custom, old protocol, old social, economic, political arrangements. Total and complete should be destroyed, and complete new social, political, economic arrangement should be established. It was the motive of radicals. Or motive of liberals were rule of law, implementation of constitution, elected king, right to vote, citizenship, but not for lower class or women. Conservative, who wanted change, modern changes, but they want to remain old traditions, customs, protocols and social religious establishment को मेंटेन करना चाहते हैं. तो ये तीन कैटेगरी बिल्कुल क्लियर है ना सबको? तो यहाँ एक बात करो, कल हमने डिस्कस किया था तुमसे मार्टिन लूथर किंग सीनियर, गोपाल स्टैंड अप. Martin Luther King Senior has been discussed in last class. Martin Luther King Junior or Senior. Martin Luther King Junior, Martin Luther King Senior. बैठ जाओ, क्लियर हो जाओ. Two identity, two personality of European scholars are known as Martin Luther King. Martin Luther King first was in 16th century. Martin Luther King first was in 16th century. He translated the Bible in German language and posed 95 questions before the church. Martin Luther King Senior, Martin Luther King Senior and Martin Luther King Junior. You must be clear about these two scholars of Europe, one from Germany and other from United States of America. Martin Luther Junior was from America. He was assassinated in 1964. He was a Nobel awarded scholar, and probably if he were alive, he would be the first black president of United States of America. But he was assassinated in 1964 before the election. It was Martin Luther King Jr. But we have discussed about Martin Luther King Sr. Martin Luther King, who was a German in 16th century. Who was a German in 16th century who questioned the authority of religious leaders such as father, nuns, monk, pope, and proved that they were not being considered as the intermediary between the God and man. Martin Luther King proved that. What proved that Martin Luther King? Martin Luther King Senior and Junior. Are you clear about it, Prakhar? Martin Luther Senior belonged to Germany in 16th century. Be conscious. In 1517, he wrote 95 theses. 95 theses means 95 questions had been asked by Martin Luther King to the religious performer such as bishop, father, church, nun, pope. इनके अथॉरिटी को चैलेंज किया किसने? मार्टिन लूथर किंग. और ही ट्रांसलेटेड द बाइबल इनटू जर्मन लैंग्वेज. It was Martin Luther King Senior. Martin Luther King Junior was civil right movement leader in United States of America. Civil right movement in United States of America. He was the most popular leader coming from the black community of America. If he were alive, he would be the first black president of America, but he was assassinated in 1964. He was awarded by Nobel Peace Prize in 1962. He was also awarded by Nobel Peace Prize in 1962. It was Martin Luther King Jr. from United States of America who led the civil rights movement of American blacks. I discussed before you the basic conceptual fundamental concept of European society. I have discussed before you three groups of ideology. First, conservative. Second, liberals. Third, radicals. Clear? No problem? I have cleared before you the emergence of fourth class. Means industrialization, trade originated a new class or community in the European country. Next, I have discussed before you the term feminist. Discuss the term feminist. Feminist means people, organization dedicated to upliftment of social, political, economic condition of women. And they claim for equal right, equal status, equal dignity, equal opportunity for women as those are available for the male. But here you have strange information, must be clear about it. I mention a scholar, please sit. Yes, sir. Balthasar Costingillo. Alert about Balthasar Costingillo. He wrote a book titled as The Courtier. Or he suggested that male figures should be hard and fast, and females should be delicate and polite. Balthasar Costingillo opposed the equality of women. He denied the female society as an integral part of humanity. Strange information, right? Balthasar Costingillo. Who was Balthasar Costingilio?
who arises from the women.
In the primary stage of feminist movement, Balthasar Costingilio questioned the demand of equal status and dignity for female. He proved that women should be another type of creature. He is not an integral part of humanity. So they could not be awarded political, religious or social status as equal to male figure. Or the feminists were, one I quoted from French Revolution, Olympe de Gouges, who was guillotined. Guillotined means सरतन से जुदा, गर्दन काट के मृत्युदंड देना। डॉक्टर गिलोटिन थे जिन्होंने एक ऐसी मशीन बनाई, समझ रहे हो ना, जिस पर आदमी को खड़ा करिए उस पर एक पोडियम पर और इसका गर्दन कट जाता था। तो गिलोटाइंड मीन्स सेंटेंस टू डेथ। ओलंपी डी ग्यूज, a first prominent feminist in European society, was guillotined by whom? The government was led by Maximilian Robespierre. प्रखर, ये जो फेमिनिस्ट मूवमेंट के एक मेजर लीडर देख रहे हैं हम फ्रांस के सोसाइटी में पहली बार, शिवाज ओलंपी डी ग्यूज, और ओलंपी डी ग्यूज वाज गिलोटाइंड बाय द रेडिकल गवर्नमेंट ऑफ फ्रांस। द कंटेम्पोररी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ फ्रांस वाज run by leader of Jacobians, Maximilian Robespierre. Sit down. कोशिश करो, मैं क्या समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि यूरोपियन इंटेलेक्चुअल्स को, यूरोपियन सोसाइटी को, यूरोपियन लीडर्स को 18th सेंचुरी तक वो ये एक्सेप्ट करने को तैयार नहीं थे कि वीमेन को भी इक्वल स्टेटस मिलना चाहिए। You should be strange to know that in the year of 1928, United States gave the right to vote for American women. American democracy was established in 1783, और women got the right to vote in the year of 1928. और it was decision did not taken by passion, by compulsion, the fear of the Marxist movement or the establishment of first communist government in Russia. It had been in 1917. So the attraction of women and labor class provide a large scale social support for the communism or Marxism. To fear from this mass level support for socialism or communism, American or Britishers were compelled to identify the women as an integral part of humanity, or they recognize the status, right, dignity, pride for women in the second century of 20th century. But they were proclaimed to be Democrat. रिकॉग्नाइज कब किया? 1920 से 28 के बीच। तो वीमेन को रिकॉग्नाइज कब कर रहे हैं? 1920 से 30 के बीच में ना। और वो डेमोक्रेट कब हो गए हैं? 1783 में। ब्रिटेन में तो 1666 में ही रूल ऑफ लॉ हो गया है, लेकिन वो रूल ऑफ लॉ किसके लिए है? सिर्फ अपर क्लास मेल के लिए, सिर्फ अपर क्लास,
मेल के लिए
होल फीमेल क्लास एक्सक्लूडेड है और होल लेबर क्लास भी एक्सक्लूडेड है।